Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through an early build of the PartsTech integration within Mitchell 1. PartsTech puts all of your vendors in one lookup. A PartsTech account connects you to over 30,000 parts stores, tire vendors, and OE dealerships across the country. You could use your wholesale account and see wholesale pricing and live local inventory at your stores, and it's backed by the most up-to-date catalog in the industry, so you'll always have the latest product and fitment information directly from the manufacturer. You can get started with PartsTech for free by going to PartsTech.com and clicking Sign Up. We'll ask you some basic information about your shop and who you buy from. Once configured, you can plug your credentials into Mitchell 1 and start ordering parts, tires, and OE parts with this PartsTech button at the bottom of the screen. Finding parts on PartsTech is easy. You can see we already brought the vehicle in from Mitchell 1, and now I'm going to look at an air filter. So I just type in the first couple letters what I'm looking for and select the part type from the dropdown. Now PartsTech will search all of my vendors at once and it will show me results in my area for that air filter. I could tab through, I could see what I want, I can click to see more product details and any interchanges, or I could add those products to the cart. I could change quantity here, but I just need one. So I can see the cart appears here. I can go back and say we need a vehicle battery. So I can grab that vehicle battery search. Again, it's searching all my suppliers at once. I can tab through. Let's say we're going to grab this one. It's available in my local store. If it wasn't, I could see what's available up the chain. If I wanted to filter, I could filter on the left here across all of my suppliers. I'm going to grab one of these. PartsTech is checking inventory again. And let's say we need a set of tires for this vehicle as well. So I'm going to click over where it says parts here and drop down to tires. PartsTech's going to show me a list of tire sizes that fit this vehicle from the factory based on VIN. So I'm going to grab this one. And now the same thing, PartsTech is now running the search against my tire suppliers. And let's say I just want to filter by Bridgestones and see only Bridgestone tires. Here I could filter, and then it filters across all of my suppliers at once. So let's say I want to grab these. The quantity is pre-filled at 4. I could see any available rebate information, but let's add these to the cart and bring these products back in to the work order in Mitchell 1. To do that, I hit Submit Quote, and that quote will be pulled back into the work order in Mitchell. Once back into Mitchell, PartsTech will ask you if you want to add any core charges from any parts associated with your order to that repair order. PartsTech will also display any necessary tire information like uniform tire grade or mileage warranty as a note field in Mitchell. And then when it's time to actually check inventory and place those orders, you can go to the parts ordering button, run a price check, and then place that order across all of your suppliers at once through PartsTech. We hope that gave you enough to get started with this early build of our Mitchell 1 integration. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at 866-308-5193 extension 1 or by emailing support@partstech.com. Thank you.